Well, people living in mobile home parks say they live in fear that just a simple late rent payment can force them to leave with no notice.
And now Colorado lawmakers are discussing two bills to give them more rights. Denver 7's Megan Lopez explains.
Just about anywhere you go in Colorado, housing is expensive.
Hi.
Even affordable housing like this mobile home park in Golden.
It's $895 a month, and then I also have...
Between her Social Security check and part-time job, Michelle Davison is just making it by.
So anyhow, this is my home for right now.
She's been here for about a year and says there's a constant fear in these parks.
If you don't pay your rent on time, you get a note on the door stating you have hours to leave. And that has happened to me.
There's so many stories like that.
A law passed last year aimed to change that, giving more rights to mobile homeowners from eviction times to mediation. This time around,
this is just common sense.
Lawmakers are trying to do even more with two additional bills they say are long overdue.
Mobile home communities are the largest unsubsidized affordable housing. And it's just imperative that we do everything we can to protect these parks.
The first bill allows tenants to buy a mobile home park if the owner decides to sell. The second makes some fixes to last year's law and adds things like privacy rights and anti-retaliation measures.
There are practices that have gone on in these mobile home parks which are abusive and which shock the conscience. So this legislation was designed to extend some of the protection.
But at the recorded committee hearing, park owners and mobile home associations warned this could backfire.
And the more you regulate it, the harder it is to provide.
And they argued that last year's law wasn't given enough time to kick in since parts of it won't go into effect until May.
We say let last year's major overhaul work.
So they oppose these bills. For now,
Oh, Bianca.
Michelle and others are just hoping for some clarity to understand what their rights are.
I mean, if you're paying money, good money, why are you being treated like this?
In a housing market that's more expensive by the day. Megan Lopez, Denver 7.